Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank ILIKEHAIR for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this gorgeous 14-inch 4x4 closure wig. It is absolutely stunning. I love her. The curls are just everything. The curls are curling. Do you hear me? Yes. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave them right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this install. All right, you guys, we're working with ILIKEHAIR. Yes, ILIKEHAIR giving Hermes. Yes, giving very expensive. All right, so first you're gonna get a rat tail comb, clip. You get 2 hair clips as well, a edge wrap, a little melting band, baby hair brush. Also, you're gonna get some wig caps. Then you're gonna get the wig. This is a 14-inch 4x4 closure with curtain bangs. Here's a close-up on the lace. The knots look pretty freaking good. It is pre-plucked for you very well, as you can see, so I won't have to do any of that. Yes, the hair feels nice and thick. It already has some curls in it. Let's get into this wig. Okay, it does have a adjustable elastic band. It has 3 combs in there, and then your adjustable straps on the side as well. This should be nice and easy. The hair has got a lot of bounce and movement, so this should be cute. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I'm all done styling the hair. The hair came out beautifully. The hair holds a curl like a dream. Absolutely gorgeous. Close up on the lace. The lace looks really good. My curtain bangs look great. Love them. Yes, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.